Here we are at the start of the giant snow wall walk up at Tateyama. And yeah, usually there's probably 1,000 people. I come up here every year. There's usually 1,000 people at the start. But this year there's probably 50, 60 people. Obviously more will come in during the day, but yeah, without the foreign tourists, it's a really popular spot for Asian tourists, especially ones who have lived in Thailand, Taiwan, never seen snow before, and then they get here and they see this. So we'll just cruise down here a bit more, just keeps building up as we go down. Another 400 meters down here until we get to the highest amount of snow. Usually somewhere between 17 and I think the biggest amount was 24 meters. It's an absolute stunning day. I have to wear my sunglasses, otherwise I'm going to fry my eyes. I suppose one of the benefits of COVID, I'm not making any money, but you've got these tourist destinations which there's nobody here. I'd rather all my friends here though. Might have put my ear in somebody's photo then.
Yeah.
So all this snow melts, and then each winter they dig out the road. So it's the 50th year anniversary of them digging out the road. I'm going to have to throw my mask on down here, obviously a popular spot to get a photo. One of those things during COVID, anyone that sneezes or coughs, you certainly move away pretty quickly.
누구는 그러니까 나.
little bit of an anticlimax this year. We dug out half the wall to commemorate the 50-year anniversary. And it's only 14 metres this year instead of 20 or so. Still impressive, but not up to what I'm used to. You'll get an idea, there's a bus coming down shortly. Still impressive. There you go, another great week here in Hakuba. A couple of beautiful spring days up on Hakuba 47, just sensational. Over the weekend it was a bit busy, just down at the bottom at the gondola, but up top cleared. No longer than a minute wait on the lifts. Had the Red Bull event there. It was carving, snowboard carving, just amazing crew going through there. And the park, just everybody at this time of year is really, really good. So you just see people sending it, it's just amazing. Did my annual pilgrimage over to Tateyama, the giant snow walls. Just an amazing place. It truly is just a sensational place to go and visit, something you should put on your bucket list. This year, bit light on, 14 metres, but I think that was due to March. We didn't get a lot of snowfall in March, but 14 metre base is still pretty impressive. I think the biggest one was 23.8 or something like that. So just imagine 10 more metres on top of that. Just be, that would have been wild. I think that was back in the 80s or something. So yeah, it's just definitely a place you should visit. Hakuba at this time of year, you've got cherry blossoms in the region. If they're just starting to come out in Hakuba this week, just beautiful. Still skiing top to bottom at 47, so you got 800 vert of skiing there. You got even more up on the back mountains, and then yeah, to go and visit places like Tateyama, Matsumoto Castle, Zenkoji Temple. Still plenty to do in Hakuba in April. So yeah, if for some reason, hopefully you can get here during the peak season, but next year if you can't, just keep your options open and come here at April. So that's it for this week. Thanks for joining us. Also, thanks for subscribing. It's sensational, just over the moon, super stoked that yeah, bunch of crew there are enjoying the videos. So here's to you. Thanks very much. See you next week. Kampai.